Assalamu alaikum.
Islam. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Musammat Labli Akhtar. My full name Musammat Labli Akhtar.
Lovely, Akhtar, right?
Labli Akhtar.
Okay, lovely. Your ID number?
On 383.
On three
83.
eight. Thank you. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Tangail.
Yeah. What is the famous for your
There
Tangal?
are there are many famous. My district is Tangail. There are Tangail Shari, Tangail Sweet, Tangail Zomidar, many Tangail Zomidari Bari, Maulana Bhashani Institute, and Jobuna Shitu.
Okay. Are you a student or job holder?
Yes, I am a student. Now, right now, I am a student at English Fantasy
Okay. Why you choose English fantasy?
because English Fantasy is a wonderful institute.
Okay. Do you like listening music?
Yes, I like listening music.
Which kind of music do you like most?
Um, First of all, I like Hamd Islamic program. Astra.
Okay. The earning person of your family?
Obviously, my father is my earning person is in my family.
Okay. Do you like television?
Yes, I like
How
television
many times you watch television per day?
because my purpose capably English speaking. So
Okay.
just news
Yes.
connect.
Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books, listening to music, watching TV, and traveling.
Traveling. Okay. That means you like travel.
I enjoy it.
Okay. Do you like sports?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Gandhi.